Hi guys, this is Khushbu and welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. So the next rule with method overriding is that abstract methods must be overridden by its first concrete subclass. Now what are the abstract methods? These are the ones that do not have any implementation and so has the keyword abstract in it. If you are having one or more abstract method in a class, that class itself becomes an abstract class. And then the child class for that abstract class must provide the implementation for the abstract method or should be an abstract class itself. So the first concrete subclass, a concrete subclass is a class that does not contain any abstract method, is the one that should provide the implementation for the abstract methods. So here it goes, that concrete class compulsorily need to implement the abstract method from the superclass. Otherwise, it needs to be abstract itself. So let's see this with an example. Here's my parent class and I have provided the implementation to all the methods in this class. Now let's make one of them as abstract. And with this, you cannot provide an implementation to this particular method. Now, once you have an abstract method, your class also becomes abstract. So, you need to make it abstract by writing this abstract keyword. Now, the dog class extends animal class and is the concrete class because it is providing the implementation for the abstract method. Now, what if I do not want the implementation for this? I need to declare it as abstract. And I need to declare this class as abstract too. Once I'm doing this, I'm getting an error because you cannot instantiate this abstract class, as there are some methods that are not implemented in that class. And what if I am trying to call those methods in my main class? So that would be an error situation, that I do not have the implementation for that method. How can I call that method? What do I show to the user for that particular method? What do I implement? So that's not allowed, and so you cannot instantiate an abstract class. So let's comment this out. And now my cat class is implementing the method from my abstract class that is there. And now my cat class becomes the first concrete class that is providing the implementation for the abstract method present in my superclass. Let's run this and we should be able to get a perfect result. That's it. So there are two things that we learned over here. That your first concrete class should provide the implementation for the abstract method. If you are not providing the implementation, that class should be abstract. Secondly, you cannot instantiate an abstract class. Why? Because there are methods in that particular class that do not have an implementation, and so if you call those methods, the compiler would not know what to do. So that's it for this rule, guys. I hope you liked it and I'll see you in another one. So till then, stay tuned.